when you come to the banks of a river, allow yourself to close your eyes and hear the sound of that river flowing. And you hear it in the ears, but then see whether you can start to feel that rushing flow of the river flowing through your body as well. It's a very, very beautiful way to connect with nature. It'll begin by just a sound. But if you allow yourself to start to drop kind of deeply, don't try to make anything happen. Just let yourself relax into the sound, into the flow. And slowly, slowly see whether you can start to feel that flow of the river in you. As you inhale, can you feel that river start to flow within you, into the cells of your being? And as you exhale, can you exhale and let go into the flow of the water? And just allow yourself to become one with that flow of the river. It's not a doing, it's an allowing, it's a merging. And through that, you develop a very, very deep experience of being connected to nature. And you can do it on the beach, listening to the waves as well. Feel them flow in and flow out. Because ultimately, we're not separate. And being in nature gives us that opportunity to really feel that connection. So begin just by taking a sound of the river, of the waves, and turn it into an internal feeling. Or rather, just allow it to turn itself, to expand itself into an internal feeling. Comes in through the ears, and then fills the body, fills the being. Just try it. You'll see.